How to unrestrict someone on Messenger. Hey everyone, welcome back to a new tutorial video of app tutorial. If you have restricted or ignored someone on Messenger and now you're trying to unrestrict them, in this video let me show you how it's done. Now first of all, let me also show you how to restrict someone. You can just tap and hold their messages and you will have an option of restrict. And that person will be immediately restricted. Now to unrestrict them, tap on the three lines on the top left and then from here tap on the settings icon on the top right. From here, if you scroll down under preferences, you'll see an option of privacy and safety. So just tap on it and under who can see you, you can see restricted accounts. Tap on the restricted accounts option and you can see all of the people that you restricted. To unrestrict them, just tap on their names and their chats will open up, where you just need to tap on unrestrict and that person will be now immediately unrestricted and their chats will be again visible on the chat section. And from now on, every message that they send, you will get a notification and they will also be able to tell that you're online. So that was a quick and easy video on how to unrestrict someone on Messenger. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel for more daily tutorials just like this. That's all for today's video. I'll see you guys in the next one.